This video demonstrates how to post images inline in a discussion forum. So in this example peer review forum, I am going to click on Create Thread to create a new thread, and I'm going to entitle this Project Work in Progress for Feedback. And inside here, I am going to press the Insert or Edit Image icon. Now, if you don't see all of these, your icon bar may be condensed, so you need to go to the far right to Show More so that you have access to these formatting tools as well as the third icon over in the third row down, the Insert or Edit Image icon. So inside here I will click. Here you will go to Browse My Computer and you're looking for a PNG file or a JPEG file, something that is web friendly. Here in the image description, describe this for accessibility purposes. If you don't put anything in the description, Blackboard will prompt you to fill that in. Under Appearance, you can float the image left or right. You can also change the dimensions, and sometimes your instructor will suggest a maximum dimension. This is a square, but I will demonstrate how to change the dimension. Just type it in there, and the other dimension will automatically be in proportion to it with this checked constrained proportions. Always want to proportionally scale. If you were to float something left or right and the text will wrap, you may want to add horizontal space. 5 or 10 works well. When you're finished with that, click Insert and your image is now in line. If you type, you can see that it is centered here, so you may want to just return and start typing your description. Press Submit. You will see that your image is now inline in your discussion thread, and it's easy to read and discuss.